Poldermolen, Waardenburg, is a polder mill built in 1867 in Waardenburg in the Dutch municipality of Westby. It is the successor to an earlier burned-down mill. The task of the mill was to help keep the area's basin soils dry, which were very swampy and therefore could hardly be cultivated. The mill has never been inhabited. A separate house had been built for the miller. The water is moved by means of 3 screw pumps, each of which can be switched on separately or together. These pumps were installed in 1927 and replaced the earlier paddle wheel. The maximum head is 1 meter. Since 1961, the polder mill has been used as a filler for the T Broek Nature Reserve. Nature Reserve T Broek seen from the mill. The flight is now Old Dutch again, but from 1927 to 1961, it had half-covered blades while maintaining the Old Dutch wine signs. In 1993, the riveted iron rods from 1873 and 1877 were replaced by welded steel rods from the company Vogs from Alton. The outer rod is 27 meters and the inner rod is 26.90 meters long. The upper axle, dating from 1867, is from the company de Prins van Oranje. The conical disc barrel driven by the top wheel has iron bars rotating around their axis. The mill is set on the wind with the help of a porter, which can also be electrically driven. The mill is owned by Staatsbosbeheer and can usually be visited when it is running.